Once upon a time in the animal kingdom, the animals were disorganized. They never had a leader or a ruler. This continued for many years until the chipmunk came. He asked them, "Why don't you have a leader? Someone who would be both fast, fierce, and strong." The animals agreed and held a contest. The cheetah won for the fastest. The chipmunk won for the wisest. To the animals' surprise, the lion won overall. The chipmunk explained that this was because the lion was both fierce, strong, and smart. And that is why, to this day, the lion is regarded as the king of the jungle. Thanks for watching. Love from the classic series.